First time fighting Collector since he's been buffed. I don't know what to expect from this, so let's just get right into it.
One, fight.
All right. Ooh, okay. You can do that now. Ooh, I don't know what's going on. Wait, what? That launches? Oh no. What have they done? I don't know what's going on. Oh, the one time didn't think he was gonna do it. Okay, that's kind of ugly, the whiff punish right there. Okay, I would punish it. Where's my up? I didn't get my up kick.
I'll spare you.
Round two, fight.
You gotta teleport, I don't care. Okay.
Peace.
Final round, fight.
Match should have been over, but ooh, I didn't get time for that. It's not real. I feel like that's not real. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that was a good punish. Wait, I wonder why he didn't go for the launch. Ooh. I don't know why he did that. Ooh, I thought I was gonna grab. Okay.
Passing cage wins.
All right. Collector definitely feels stronger to go against. I can give him that.
Round one, fight.
Oh, and I guess that's the stagger crap. Who's dropping that? You can't whiff punish that. That means he starts getting in for free. I could probably whiff punish it with a low shot. That's gimmick. I can feel that. Okay.
I love my toys.
Cassie she still feels pretty good.
Round two, fight.
Oh, and that's how he closes it. Okay. I'm not getting my gunshot. Alright, what's gonna do this? Launch. Oh, come on. Okay.
Cassie Cage wins.
I can't really tell what's going on, but hey, I'm still having fun.
Round 1. Fight.
Ooh. I thought that would work. I'm gonna go for the grab. Ooh, sorry, I had to sneeze, y'all. Ooh, good stagger. Ooh, that was good. Oh, he tried it.
I love my toys.
Round 2. Fight.
You can't whiff punish that. Ah, I waited a little bit too long. Okay, and when he punishes it, I mean when... Oh, I got some for that. Teleport. That is so good. Oh! I got worried right there. I forgot. Yes. That better not launch from that far. Okay. Well, it still launched it. Pretty sure you had to do something wrong. I feel like you're... Yeah, I thought you were going to try to work with me there. I'm going to do something ugly. It didn't work.
Ready to play.
Final round. Fight.
Good stagger. Or maybe I just don't know how to do it. Okay. I'm getting collected on now. I will not be collected. Let me out of here. Wow. I'm pretty sure that's not safe. That looks unsafe. Oh, come on. I just did it. No! Oh, okay, I still got him. Woo.
Cassie Cage wins. Round 1. Fight.
Teleport. You're supposed to think I'm gonna you, and I don't want to. Okay. Come on, teleport. Okay. I don't know if that punished. Hey, you just can't keep walking back full screen, man. Is this man just command grab? Okay. He getting tired of me. You literally just can't do nothing about that at all. Maybe jump it? What we got? Ooh.
My mercy is expensive.
Round 2.
I'm trying my best not to just play him like a punk, but he wants to just sit full screen. So, I mean, we could do that. Oh, now I definitely don't feel bad if I know you could do that. Just trade and get a bowler, 29%. Not a very good wake up. That was good. Save. Of course, he was match fadeable after someone's not safe. It's okay.
Finish her.
Oh, I did not know that was my final round. If I did, I wouldn't have woke up what I woke up with.
Collector wins.
That's such a rude outro. Man has a picture of Kodal, but is playing Collector. That should show who got the better buff.
Round 1. Fight.
Good. Alright, be smart, you vortex me. Oh, put me in the corner, that works too. My brain, as a fighting game player, is telling me to whiff punish it.
Ready.
Round
Red.
2. Fight.
He wouldn't teleport. I'm in the corner, right? What the heck was that? Okay, so he's not caring about my zoning because he wants to trade to get that bowler. Ooh, that's so good. All right, I'm gonna break out like you always do. Oh, okay. We should have. Now you better get grabbed. Teleport, teleport, teleport. I'm trying to read it. Come on, make me look cool. Oh, come on.
Cassie Cage wins.
All right, so off of all that, we can tell that Collector is obviously such a better character, but we don't know. Like, I'm playing this, I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but I'm playing this right after the patch came out.
Round
So
1.
we don't know
Fight.
what's to come of this character, but he seems pretty good this far. Trying to play stupidly. I did not do that. That backfired quickly. I was doing so good. Ooh, I know he's upset. I know he is.
Round 2, fight.
I got an idea. I got an idea with punish it. Still, this video should just be titled "Me Trying to Whiff Punish Collector's New Bull Crap." Well, not bull, but well, it might be. We don't know, but good tick. No! Not like this. You really tried it.
Finish him.
Alright, those are good games. So yeah, y'all seen Collector now and everything, and I've dropped that so much. But yeah, I haven't played Cassie in a while. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. That was Buff Collector. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my Twitch and my Patreon and Nickopz.